In the heart of global chaos, a pause unlike any other. In April 2025, the global economic stage witnessed an unprecedented move. Both the Federal Reserve and President Trump hit the brakes. The Fed paused interest rate cuts, citing fears of inflation and unemployment. Meanwhile, President Trump, amid escalating trade wars, paused new tariffs, except on China, which faced a brutal 125% duty. Markets gasped. Optimism flickered, but uncertainty reigned. Trillions were already lost, and caution was the name of the game. India, seizing the moment, surged its exports to the U.S., setting records. But the global trade chessboard was in turmoil. Experts called it a wait-and-see approach for the Fed and a tactical move from Trump. But the stakes were sky-high. For the next 90 days, the world watches. Will this pause be a pivotal turning point or just a fleeting breath? Stay tuned because the drama is just beginning. Subscribe for more in-depth analyses on the unfolding saga of global finance.